I'm gonna do a stunt. Whoa, you were sorry. So I'm gonna do a stunt. Front flip. I can land it, but I'll try. Kids, don't do this at home. I'm a kid, but I'm just gonna do it, and this is for my own safety. Okay?
Don't try this. Don't try this at home, kids.
Please like and subscribe.